Hey guys, it's Karen and I am super excited to show you guys the newest product in Peter Thomas Roth's Pro Strength line. It is their 10% PHA Exfoliating Clarifying Liquid. Now what this is pretty much, it's a daily leave-on exfoliating and clarifying liquid that treats uneven skin tone, uneven skin texture, and even acne. So it utilizes PHA, polyhydroxy acid, glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, and lipohydroxy acids, and all these acids work together to exfoliate the skin's surface. This product in particular is unique because I normally see PHA in concentrations of 3% in a lot of products, but this one has a whopping 10%. So PHA is one of the most gentle chemical exfoliants. The molecular size is bigger, so it doesn't penetrate as deep into the skin, which doesn't leave way for irritation, which is why I personally like PHA. And a lot of people with sensitive skin do very well with PHA as well. So to top it off, it also contains ceramides and 5% Super Lipid Complex. So this works together to combat any dryness that you might experience while using a strong acid like this, and it further helps to nourish and hydrate the skin as well, and it leaves the skin looking healthier and radiant and just very dewy.
In your skincare routine, this product should be applied every day at nighttime, directly after your cleanser but before your serum or moisturizer. Because it's a liquid exfoliant, you'll want to use a cotton pad to apply and spread evenly. And that's it, no rinsing required.